everybody. So I had just put my new phone case on. You like? It's fresh. Psh, 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 psh. See? It's silicone and I enjoy it. I just put it on today. So now this video is totally different. This video is me opening my AirPods. So these are AirPods. Obviously I got them at Costco. I had gotten these AirPods at Costco. They were normally run for $159 and I got them for $139. With tax it came out to $152. So I got a great deal on it and I'm going to be opening it up, an unboxing video. My favorites. So here we go. It's nicely packaged and nicely wrapped, airtight. I'm going to make a puncture with this scissor. Make a little rippity doo-dah. I don't want to damage the box, so, and I don't want to cut my fingers. Okay, this shouldn't be that difficult, but they do package it really well, I guess, with the really good plastic. So I'm just gonna poke it like that. Okay, there we go, we got it. So we're gonna rip it open. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting so long to open these. I've been waiting so long to open these. I've been waiting like a week. I got them just to do a video on them. So it opens up like this, I guess. Designed by Apple, California. Alright, so we're going to take this off. This is the AirPods instruction manuals and stuff. And here it is. Ooh, it almost fell out. Here it is. Here it is. Alright, so the box in here. You know what? It doesn't come with chargers. This should come with a charger. You know, for it being expensive already as it is, should throw you like a free charger maybe. That would be nice. So I'm gonna open it. There we go. That's it. Nothing to it. $139. This Apple AirPods. This looks so cool. Alright, there we go. Little AirPods. Little AirPods. And I have the skin. I bought the skin on AliExpress. It's almost like a Wish, but it's AliExpress, and I got it for like 60 cents. They have so many different colors, and normally it would be like $7 or $8, but I got it for 60 cents. The downfall is that it'll take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, but I'm alright with that. I could keep this in a pouch temporarily till I get my silicone. So anyways, until then, oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look. Oh my, okay, so this goes in here. Let me show my ears. And like that. It hangs off your ears like that. Not bad. If you have long hair, you don't see anything. You don't see the AirPods. But if not, then it looks like this. Looks like this. I think it's cool. Fits comfortable. Let's do the test. Let's do the shake test. Alright, so let me get my hair out of the way. And then we're going to shake. Nope, didn't come out of my ear. Okay, so it didn't come out of my ear. These stay put. These stay put. I love them. Alright, I love it. I'm gonna put it back in the case. I don't know if it's charged yet. Oh, it's magneted up. It's magneted up. It just slid in. Woo, it just slides like that. I love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to pair it with my phone. Oops, my phone is turned off because I just did a new screen protector, cleaned it and put on my new phone case. My fresh. While it's turning on, I'm going to be looking at this. It's so tiny. Look how tiny it is. Put my password, my secret password. All right, so this is my iPhone, and I'm going to, I guess you turn Bluetooth on, right? Let me see. Like I kind of knew. Okay, whoops. I'm gonna turn my Bluetooth on. Okay, turn my Bluetooth on. And to pair an Apple Watch with your iPhone, go to the Watch app. Do I have to charge it first? I have to pair this. You know what? I didn't do pre-research to see how to pair these things. So I'm going to check out this. Turn on Bluetooth. Connect AirPods. Open case. Hold near unlocked iPhone. Then follow on-screen instructions. Okay, I got to open the AirPods. So open. Oh, look. That's what it looks like. Alright. So, wow, it's the AirPods spinning. Now, I'm going to press connect, and it's connecting. It's trying, like, camera's trying to get me. It's connecting. Done. So, it says my charger case is 70% charged, and my AirPods are 90% charged. So, I'm going to press done. And I guess you have to keep Bluetooth on, and my AirPods are connected. That's it. So simple. Now I'm gonna take them out of. Well, I'm gonna take one out. I'm gonna take one of them out, and I had to go bloom bloom. So I have one in my ear right now, and I guess it. Well, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna go on some YouTube. And I'm going to, I'm a gory Lolita doll. This is my recommended. Sometimes I watch Barcroft TV. It's really interesting. Look. So I'm going to press it. Survey. Alright, I'm watching something. Too bad you can't hear it, but I'm hearing it right now. Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wow! This is great. I can hear this perfectly. It has bass and all that good stuff. I didn't check out music. You know what? Let me check out some music. Even though I said... Okay. So I'm going to try Pump Like That by Valentino Khan. I'ma make you. This is cool. Okay, I'm enjoying this too much. So yeah, that's about it. That's it. That's the end of my video. I highly recommend these AirPods. I've heard through the grapevine that AirPod number 2 is coming out. But I don't have time for that. I don't have time to wait for that. So this is it. Close it up. That's the end of my video. That's the end of my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe if you want to see more of me. And I'll be posting videos every week, maybe more than one video, who knows. I'm gonna be active, so I'll be here. Subscribe to see more of me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.